What you got?
It's my new VYVO smartwatch.
VYVO smartwatch. What's so smart about it?
Monitor all kinds of vitals, stress levels.
Comes
There's
with
a fall alert on it for clumsy people like me.
There's bubble wrap.
And bubble wrap. Yes, there's bubble wrap. This is the strap for it. Okay. Let's start with the fun part.
The box within the box.
Which I get, but we have to individually wrap.
And plastic too?
Not cool. Can't get it open. Okay. VYVO Watch Generation 2. A knife or something. I can't cut that with my fingernails. Actually, it's pretty
well taped
sealed.
shut.
I don't usually make stickers. I can't put my fingernails through. I think I can open it now.
Dun dun dun.
Dun, dun, dun. Welcome to the digital health sharing economy. Ooh. Anything else in there?
What's that?
Charger, I would bet. Just little bitty pins here.
Let me zoom in on that. Show it again. Cool.
That would appear to be micro USB. USB cable, charging base, small size band. Does that mean? Okay, I'll give them credit for this packaging here, because most people over package everything, but they've tucked pieces everywhere. Here's the charger cable. Here's a smaller band, so you don't have to go hunt one down. The first one's too big. And this little face sticker. I wonder if it came with any charge.
Wasn't there something else that was supposed to be really cool about that watch?
Yeah, the fact that it mines crypto.
Oh yeah.
It's got some kind of charge.
Oh yeah, they want you to mine money right away. So now you can mine crypto right on your wrist, you say? All from your watch.
Yep. It monitors your health, and your data points earn you crypto.
Interesting. Where can they go to find out more?
That is 4b65.com/crypto mining watch.
What else you got in there?
I don't know.
Do you need the thing back?
I think that's too big for this little bitty thing here. I'm not trying to destroy the whole box. One of those weirdos that hold on to boxes. I like slim fit cases on things though. User guide, apps, and resources.
It's a box for a book.
Well, not just this. This is a regular watch band.
Mm-hmm.
But this one that comes in here is a VYVO Pay watch band. So anywhere that you can tap to pay things, this watch band will let you use it.
Like your Google Pay or your Apple Pay.
Yeah, just like those. Now I wonder what else they put in there. It doesn't appear to be anything. But it comes with the same two different
sizes
of the band.
Interesting.
This one's specific. They say VYVO Pay on them, so you know the difference when you take them apart, because these ones don't say anything. They're just regular bands.
Okay.
Alright, I'll put these in here so I don't lose them, because I have a tendency to lose things.
It's our first one, brand new to the site, so
Alright. Gotta check it out.
can't lose it right off the bat.
Alright. Now we've got
By your registration, warranty, I'd imagine.
well, maybe, but
Oh
logo
yeah.
there. That is a MasterCard
Oh
logo.
yeah. Let me zoom in on. Oh, you might want to hide numbers and stuff
And
on it.
My
Comes
biggest
with its own.
question about crypto forever was how you spend it. What good does it do me if I can't get it off the blockchain and into a spendable
Form.
So they just went ahead and gave you, me, everybody, a card. So your watch becomes swipey.
Good deal.
Whole wallet set up for it. This one is, it's all QR codes for this. That's QR code for the card setup activation. Here's one, the QR code for the user guide and apps and resources. And this one's QR code was also user guide, apps, and resources. I kind of like it. Cut down on all the extra packaging, on the thousands of pages of instruction books that tend to come with everything technological now. I mean, come on, your insulin pump came with a book this thick, and that was just the English version, and we still haven't read it, right? We just had somebody teach us and have it as a reference in an emergency. But yeah, we will definitely have to go and download and check all of those out. And
so just to recap, your newest and greatest little gadget there is a smartwatch that mines cryptocurrency on the Ethereum network, I believe you said?
Yes.
So be on the Ethereum blockchain. Right now they have a special promo going till the end of February of 2022, depending on when you see this. So what was the website they need to go check out again?
It is 4b65.com/crypto-mining-watch. And there is only one more week to get it with our extra bonus rewards, which are reward tokens that when this goes live on the Ethereum blockchain, they'll multiply by 10. There's only another week to get it like that. After that, it's just a 1-to-1 conversion.
So get it now and hurry, folks.
Before it's too late and you miss out on a whole lot of extra.
So check it out now.